Hello everyone. Isn't it funny when we look back on videos of the things that used to attract us in the stores that we thought we wanted to bring into our home, but now looking at it, since I've decluttered my entire house, it does not look appealing. I will leave it right on the shelves because I know it's not going to bring me joy in my house. It's just going to create more messes and clutter. I hope through my channel you'll find freedom in all of your junk and you'll be able to declutter and get all of it out of your house and learn some tips and tricks on just letting go so that you can fully enjoy the life that God has given you. That is my desire here on the channel, just to encourage you guys and to bring you joy through these clips as they've brought me joy. These are some clips from prior and past. And yeah, so I'm just going to talk through some of them and we're just going to enjoy these videos. My house was pretty much always a wreck. I did not have any order. I would do the same things over and over, laundry, folding, all the things, sweeping, mopping, but it was the clutter that just needed to get out. I chose to focus on the little things like enjoying watching my kiddos play. I really love how this verse in 1 Corinthians 8 verses 20, let's just do 20. It says, yes, each of you should remain as you were when God called you. Are you a slave? Don't let that worry you. But if you get the chance to be free, take it. And remember, if you were a slave when the Lord called you, you are now free in the Lord. But if you were free in the Lord when the Lord called you, you are now a slave to Christ, a slave of Christ. God paid a high price for you. Don't be enslaved by the world. I love that. God paid a high price for you, so don't be enslaved to the world. There's our chickens. 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 Here's a pile of stuff I realized that it just needed to get out. I had multiple pairs of scissors. This is the state that my home would always be in. And before people would come over, I would try and organize it and I would try and stuff it in rooms to get surfaces cleaned up. It just was a wreck. I could never keep up until I got everything out. I realized I did not need it. Storing it was not benefiting me. It was just making things more stressful. So once I addressed the clutter and really just kept getting more and more out, it was like a process of 3 trips all around the house. I would get rid of stuff and then I'd be like, oh, I think I still want to keep this. And then I would keep it. Then I would go through my next season of decluttering and I'd be like, I really didn't need to keep that. So I got rid of it then as well. Our home is not big, and with 7 people living in it, it gets cluttered super quickly. But we don't let that dictate the way and the state of our home. It made me realize that we just needed less and less stuff. The kiddos didn't need 20 toys each. We keep it very minimal. Now that I know that that's what was causing all of the stress, we're able to just keep more clutter out because we know it keeps us in order. When it comes to motherhood, I did not want to be stressed out all the time. I wanted to enjoy my kids, and I really do feel like clutter got in the way a lot of times of just being able to enjoy the moment, because I would be constantly looking at this mess and just thinking, how in the world am I going to get to this today or tomorrow or ever? But a little step at a time, one day at a time, just getting more and more things out of the door, donating, giving away, trashing it, just getting it out of the house. I didn't need 5 Stanley cups. I needed 1, if that. I don't even use one as it is right now. A water bottle is just fine. If you're new here, I forgot to introduce myself. I always forget that. I'm Becca, and I have 5 kiddos. My husband and I, we live in Florida. We have a piece of property, so our kids live very much the country lifestyle. They play, and we do a lot of things outdoors, and yeah, so we don't live the conventional lifestyle. We've done a lot of fun things with animals. I used to milk goats. We've done just so many fun things. We've raised cows, pigs, chickens, all the things. But we're definitely in the season of scaling back so that we can focus on paying off some debt and building our businesses and taking trips and doing all those fun things. Let's talk about laundry. As a large family, laundry has been a huge issue. So now I only keep what we need, and the kiddos only have what they can wear in a week's worth. And I just do laundry weekly and daily, and it's been working out super fine. But this was so overwhelming, and this was only a couple baskets. I know I had more and more baskets to come after this basket. If you've made it to the end of the video, let's do a crab emoji in the comments and let me know what you're up to this week. Anyways, I'm so happy you're here. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.